is this?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna make some clay hippos. I feel like this is such a cute and fun accessory. I'm gonna use these big magnets instead of adhesives to stick them on my laptop. This is the rough sketch slash inspo. Since they're magnetic, they can be swapped or moved around. I'm also gonna try make one glow in the dark type. I'm gonna use a pen to push in the upper half of the face so that the cheeks kind of pop out. This step is really important for maximum cuteness. Now for the hair you need a pair of scissors. So basically I rolled out the clay and I'm cutting out individual strands like this. They don't have to be perfect or uniform because it's anime hair. You just need to stick them randomly and you're good. Honestly, for my first time, I think this is pretty good. I was actually quite proud of myself. I'm using an eye pin so it's easier to sort of hold them together. I took my laptop and measured where the magnet should go on the body. Pressing it gently, I got an imprint to mark the spot where I can glue the magnet. Since Geto has a man bun, I'm wrapping the head with black clay. I'm also adding curved marks for the details to sort of mimic the look of tied up hair. Finally, I glued all the pieces together and honestly it was time I cleaned up the desk because it was a mess. I bought some glow in the dark powder pigment. Basically it glows by absorbing light sources like UV. Like this is so cool to see actually.
Mix in a little green.
Now since this is not a translucent clay, I can't just mix in the powder, it will not show up. So my plan is to make it into a liquid form and basically paint it over the piece.
about 3-4 days now, so what is this? I think it's the nose. If the nose was a little... This is a nosy Smiski. Doesn't smell like anything. That's a good thing. I'll put a generous amount.
It looks super bad right now. I'm just gonna trust the process. Even though the clay is already pigmented, I like to use chalk pastels for some more shading. I feel like it adds a bit more depth visually. And of course, after adding the blushes, they looked so cute. Meanwhile, this guy freaking looked straight out of a horror show, so I just had to redo his face. They are finally done and they're super shiny. The Smiski glows perfectly in the dark. Honestly, they all look so cute peeking over the laptop.
Anyone can draw, and I truly believe that.
Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts and see you next time. Bye bye.